viewers, today we are diving into Inventor's Lois LED Surface Light. This amazing lighting solution comes in 2 shapes, 3 wattages and 3 temperature color variants. You can choose between round and square shape with wattages options ranging from 8, 15 and 22 watts. Color temperature variants including warm white at 3000 Kelvin, neutral white at 4000 Kelvin and cool white at 6500 Kelvin. Now, how do you identify the product you need? It is as easy as finding the product code on the box. For example, LOR15C stands for Lois Round, 15 for the wattage and C for cool white. Now, if you need the product in a different color, wattage or shape, you can always find the product by the product code. Now, let's get to the exciting part, which is opening this box and checking out what's inside. Wow! It looks extremely sleek and attractive. It will add a touch of elegance to your space. Now, let's dive into the product features. This light's body and diffuser are made of high-grade polycarbonate material, making it both unbreakable and highly efficient in heat dissipation. Finally, we have reached the end of the video. It's worth mentioning that these products are truly Indian made with mass manufacturing units located at Pallikarnai, Chennai. If you have any queries or need assistance with refund or replacement of the product, you can reach out to the toll-free number on the screen or you can contact support@inventor.in. Thanks for watching, guys.